Introducing the Home MultiRoom from weBoost. The Home Cell Signal Booster designed to resolve your home's isolated connectivity issues by boosting the existing indoor signal for up to 3 large rooms. In fact, the Home MultiRoom can provide homeowners with up to 5,000 square feet of enhanced coverage area, allowing everyone within this range to take full advantage of their unlimited data plans to call, text, or stream on multiple devices. This is made possible from the Home MultiRoom's impressive range, allowing it to reach cell towers at distances up to 23% farther, while also providing up to 91% more coverage than its predecessor, the weBoost Home 4G Cell Phone Signal Booster. Designed in the USA, the Home MultiRoom's outside antenna pulls in outdoor cell signal to be amplified, then broadcast by its inside panel antenna, helping overcome instances of poor indoor coverage or dead zones in your home. With Home MultiRoom, setup is a snap. Engineered with intuitive, tool-free installation in mind, the outside antenna can be placed on a standard antenna pole or secured on the rooftop vent pipe found atop most homes. Cable access from the outside antenna to the booster inside doesn't require drilling holes in any walls thanks to the flat window cable. Right away, you'll notice that the Home MultiRoom is more than a technological breakthrough. It's clearly designed to complement the most stylish contemporary decor, from the sleek modern look of its cast aluminum booster to the universal appeal of its fabric-covered inside panel antenna. The inside antenna is easily installed on any wall, vertically or horizontally, or even tucked away in a ceiling, using the Home MultiRoom's custom mounting brackets along with the included 3M command strips. With the inside antenna's built-in kickstand feature, shelf or counter placement is also possible, delivering added versatility for homeowners. With the Home MultiRoom in place, you can finally enjoy fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, uninterrupted texts, faster data speeds, better streaming, and improved hotspot capability in rooms with weak signal area. Home MultiRoom supports all U.S. mobile carriers, including AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and U.S. Cellular, and offers enhanced LTE signal from Sprint customers with the addition of Band 25. When it comes to improving connectivity for all your cellular devices in a specific floor or area of your home, choose a multi-room solution you can rely on, the Home MultiRoom by weBoost.